Hi, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good as well.
Nice to
What
see you
about you?
again. Nice to see you again. And happy
Me
Independence
too.
Day.
Happy Independence Day too.
Happy Independence to all whoever is watching this video.
Yeah.
So, so today we are going to play a kind of game. Okay.
What kind of game we are going
Okay.
to play?
First, I will give you a word, and you have to speak something about related to that word. After that, you
Okay.
give me any word. After that, I will speak. So this is how we are going to play. So now
Okay.
I'm going to give you a word, and that is globalization.
Globalization.
Anji, what comes in your mind when you hear this word?
Yeah.
Mm.
Globalization is the way in which our world has become more intergraduated and join up. It is
Mm.
about economics and trade and science, technology, politics, and culture. We know share each other's culture and language
Yeah.
through trade and trade and science and technology. Now we are in huge global economy where local or national ways of doing things have become international, and
Mm.
something that happens in one area can have knock on effects worldwide. So
Mhm.
people, governments, economics, and countries are more depends on each other
Yeah.
today than they ever have been in the past.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are right. That's great. So now you can give me any word.
Yeah. Co-education.
Okay. Co-education means education where where boys and girls study together. You know that
Yeah.
it is important nowadays. Co-education is important, and there are so many advantages of it. But most importantly, it helps to remove gender discrimination. You know, both boys and girls get equal respect, and they are studying together, and they participate in all the competition together. So this
Yeah.
is what co-education. There are so many advantages, but so now I'm going to give you a word, and that is uh, window shopping.
Window shopping.
हाँ जी, window shopping
Yeah.
होती है.
Window shopping. When I hear this window shopping,
Where
yeah,
are you
to look
sitting?
at
Where
the
are you sitting? You
display.
are sitting
Yeah,
outside your house. Sorry to interrupt you. You are sitting outside you because your background is very amazing, very good, cool. It looks very
yeah,
good. Hmm.
yeah. I'm living greenery place.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it. Yeah. Go
Okay,
ahead.
window shopping. Window shopping means to look at the display in retail stores windows
Mm-hmm.
without going inside the stores to make a purchase. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
window shopping doesn't cost anything, and it is the most fun-filled time pass activities. Yeah, window shopping with friends allow us to enjoy spend time with the friends who like shopping with having to pay our own money on the table.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
we just look at the pro I mean the things, but we won't. I mean we never ever enter inside of
Mhm.
the shop and never buy anything
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
using our
yeah.
own money. Yeah,
Yeah, you are right. That is window shopping. So now you give
hard work,
hard work. Okay.
hard.
Hard work is, in my opinion, hard work is about doing something that may directly not inspire you, but it is important to achieve your goal. You know, without hard work, it is not possible to achieve our goal. For example, nowadays you are learning spoken English. So without working hard, you can't learn spoken English. And there are so many great people. You know, they have achieved their goal by working hard. So it is impossible without working hard. You can't achieve your goal. And you know, some people believe in smart work, but smart work doesn't last forever. It will not work forever. For example, you if you are going to crack an exam, there your smart work will not work. If you are doing smart work there, that means you are using unfair means, and that is not good. Later or sooner you are going to you will be caught up, you know. And if you
Yeah,
do work hard, So our hard work pays off. Later or sooner, hard work pays off. For example, so for we can take the example of like Neeraj Chopra. Recently, he won the gold medal and made our country proud. So without hard, if he had not worked hard, it would not have possible now for him to go to get that gold medal and made our country
Yeah.
proud, to make our country proud. So this is
Yeah.
hard work, I think. Everyone can achieve anything, whatever he or she wants to achieve, with the help of hard work. Yeah, this is
Yeah.
hard work. And you can take the example of freedom fighters. You know,
Yes.
without we nowadays now we got freedom because of their work hard.
Yeah.
That time, if they had not worked hard, it would not have been possible to get freedom. So
Yeah.
yeah, there are so many examples. So now
Yes.
it's my turn. I am going to ask,
Yeah.
like global warming. What comes
Global
to
warming.
yeah.
Global warming. Yeah. Global warming is the gradual rise in the temperature of Earth's surface, ozone,
Mm-hmm.
and the atmosphere.
Mm-hmm.
The most noticeable effect of global warming is the melting of the ice caps and glaciers in the world. As a result, even the sea level is rising steadily. It
Yeah.
is believed that by the end of the 21st century,
Mm.
many cities will be partly flooded by the sea.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
global warming is the extremely harmful for life on the earth.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely.
there are various reasons of global warming. We can distinguish them into
Mm-hmm.
natural and man-made. And yeah, stopping global warming is a big challenge.
Yeah, you are
Yeah,
right.
but
Yeah.
we as individual can take small steps and contribute to limit the global warming. And yeah,
Yes.
saving electricity, planting more trees,
Mm-hmm.
and recycling household waste, and
Yeah.
using less cars and bikes are some of the steps we can take, so that combined efforts of all of us give a big result. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
global warming is harming our mother earth.
Yeah.
If this continue, our future generations will have to suffer a lot.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we all must take up the responsibility and reduce global warming. Yeah, every single step towards stopping global warming is significant and valuable.
Yeah, you are
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
Now.
Now my turn.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, a religion.
Religion. Okay. Religion is a kind of belief system. The basic institution of any society are known as religion. It is found in every society, and there are various kind of
Okay.
religion. Like Hinduism, like Islam, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism. There are many more, and they are following their own principles. They have their own tradition, custom, and belief system. Beliefs. Because of
Yeah,
different beliefs of different people. Different traditions exist. You know,
yeah.
they believe they. This word I'm giving you like cyclone. What comes to
Cyclone.
when you hear this word? What comes to your mind? In your mind? Yeah, cyclone.
Okay.
Mm.
Cyclone. Yeah, cyclones are violent storms that are accompanied by rain, thunder, lightning.
Yeah.
Cyclones are also termed as atmosphere disturbances. Yeah, cyclone is capable of disturbing normal life and
Mhm.
a lot of distracts to a places. Cyclone rotates anti-clockwise in the northern hemisphere and rotate clockwise in southern hemisphere. Then
Mhm.
cyclones are not only present on Earth but also spotted on the other planets like Mars, Jupiter, and Neptune.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you are right.
and now my turn.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, Good teacher. Yeah, good teacher. What do you think about that?
Okay. Good teacher. In my opinion, good
Yeah,
teacher is a teacher who is sincere, hard, and yeah, who is impartial. Teacher should not be partial. There are some
yeah,
teachers who discriminate among students. and because of this, students get demotivated. So teachers should
Yeah.
not be partial. They should not discriminate among students. And a good teacher is a teacher like who can show right direction to the students. It is teacher's duty to
Yeah.
show them right direction. After that, it is students' turn to continue that direction. Teacher can show direction to the student. Teachers don't have any like a tablet to give them and say that okay, take this tablet and next day you will be
Yeah.
excellent in study. They can show direction. So for me, I think this is good. That is good teacher. So now
Okay.
I'm going to give word like vaccine. What do you think? What comes in your mind?
Vaccine.
Vaccine. Mm.
Vaccine, COVID-19. Okay, vaccines are substances that are antigenic and which are prepared from the agent causing the disease or any synthetic substitute. A vaccine provides immunity against many disease. Yeah, in vaccination, yeah, virus or bacteria is deliberately administered to the person so that
Mhm.
immunity system of the body can fight any future infection. Yeah.
Yeah, you are right. That's great. You explained very well.
Okay.
Mhm.
And now my turn.
Okay.
Yeah, COVID-19.
Okay, COVID-19. Everybody knows
COVID-19.
about COVID-19.
Yeah.
Everybody is facing problem. It is a kind of
Yeah,
virus.
we are. Yeah.
It is kind of virus and it is contagious disease and it spreads rapidly. It affects our lungs when it enters our throat and the lungs. It starts like multiplying itself and it starts
Yes.
killing the cells inside our lungs, and due to which our lungs get filled with dead cells, and it becomes it and lungs stop functioning, and it becomes very difficult for us to take breath. And because of COVID, very well everybody is facing problem. Even whole the world is facing problem. If we take
Yeah.
if we talk about the second wave, so many people have lost their near or dear ones. And if we talk about who used to earn daily, eat daily, so because of lockdown they didn't have any work, so they were going to their village on foot, because that time no vehicle was available there. So it was very tough situation that time. Even
Okay.
it is unpredictable when it is going to get over, and because of it, if it has affected like each and every field. If we take the example of education, it has affected education a lot. Education has been affected a lot due to this coronavirus. Nowadays students are taking online classes, but very well they are not studying on online classes. In online classes,
Yeah.
in the name of study, they just start playing games. They just
Yeah.
pretend to be studying, but actually they are not studying, and they are getting they got addicted to mobile a lot. Even after studying,
Yes.
they want mobile. Even